The Spedal Seamless Auto-Connect Adapter turns a factory-wired smartphone interface into a wireless setup, so you can leave your phone in your pocket while still using navigation, music, and messaging on the built-in display. Its dual-band wireless design uses both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connections to keep CarPlay and Android Auto responsive with minimal lag or dropouts during longer drives. In daily use, the adapter typically links up a few seconds after starting the engine, so the system feels close to an integrated original equipment solution rather than an add-on dongle. Call quality and media playback remain clear and stable, and steering wheel buttons and voice assistant controls continue to work as expected, which makes the upgrade feel natural and safe. The compact plug-and-play form factor means installation is as simple as connecting it to the existing data port, with no wiring changes or dashboard disassembly required. Spedal backs the adapter with firmware updates and a multi-year warranty, so it stays compatible with new phone software and offers some long-term peace of mind.